Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Pakistan International High School Primary Wing e-learning session 2020-21. Grade 4 Subject Computer, Chapter number 1, Uses of Computers, Lecture 4th and the last lecture of Chapter number 1. Dear students, in last lecture we learned about use of computers in banks, use of computers in designing, and use of computers in shops and hotels. In banks, computers are used to provide account details to customers, and in printing account statements. Computers also facilitate the bankers to operate automated teller machines, which are machines installed outside the bank that enable customers to withdraw money at any time. In designing, computers are used by architects to design buildings and houses on computers. Also, engineers use computers to design cars, aeroplanes, etc. Also, dress designers use computers to design beautiful dresses by using computers. Computers are also used in shops and hotels to maintaining record of stocks and prices of items, preparing bills, etc. Okay guys, in this lesson we will learn about use of computers in computer controlled cameras, use of computers in robotics, and use of computers in airline and railway reservation offices. Okay guys, now let's talk about use of computers in computer controlled cameras. Cameras that can be controlled by computers are used in various places, like many banks, stores and schools use computer controlled cameras to keep a watch on people's activities. This helps to catch theft in banks and stores. Computer controlled cameras on highways help in identifying vehicles that are not following traffic rules. Doctors use tiny cameras to look inside the human body for diagnosing diseases. Computer controlled cameras linked to a computer bring us pictures from the deepest oceans, from inside volcanoes, and even distant galaxies in the space. Now, use of computers in robotics. Robots are human-like machines guided and controlled by computers. They can do some tasks that humans cannot do. Like robots can handle chemicals that are too dangerous for humans to touch. Robots can go to dangerous places such as deep water. Robots can also go inside active volcanoes. Robots help explore other planets. Robots help doctors perform operations as well. And now, use of computers in airline and railway reservation offices. Computers are used in airline and railway booking counters where all computers are connected to a common network. This enables the people to book tickets from any town or city to any other place. The steps for booking in a ticket are as follows. All the information required is fed into a computer by the booking personnel. Availability of tickets is checked. The tickets so booked are printed and issued. This new information is updated immediately on all computers through the common network, and the latest status is displayed. Okay guys, now let's watch a video of Google and Tuggle, who are discussing the importance and use of computers in computer controlled cameras, use of computers in robots, and use of computers in airline and railway reservation offices. Airline and railway reservation offices.
Hi Goggle, what's up? You seem to be pretty busy. Hi Toggle, I'm playing a game on my PlayStation 3. Wow, that must be fun. Toggle, it's so much fun that I just can't stop playing it. But Goggle, do you know that there would be no video games if there were no computers? What does that mean, Toggle? The video games, such as the one you are playing, are special programs created with the help of computers. Really? I didn't know that. Are there other fields where computers are being used? Yes, Goggle. Nowadays, computers are used in many different fields. Which ones, Toggle? Tell me more. Sure, Goggle. Shuttles. Computers are also being used for security purposes nowadays. How's that, Toggle? You might have seen CCTV cameras in malls and railway stations. These cameras are controlled using computers. These cameras keep places such as shops, banks, and highways safe. Okay, got it now. You know about robots, right? Oh yes, they are toys I play with. No, Goggle. Some robots are made to work or even look like humans. Robots can do a wide variety of tasks which would be difficult for humans. And yes, these machines are controlled by computers. Very interesting, Toggle. Tell me, Goggle, can you travel by train or by aeroplane without a ticket? Of course not. But why do you ask? Are we going on a vacation? No, Goggle. I want you to know that computers are also used in booking airline and railway tickets. And what's more, computers can also track and display the availability of tickets. Wow! I didn't know that either.
Okay guys, this is our lecture number 4 and the last lecture of chapter number 1. Today we have completed chapter number 1, uses of computers, and there were 4 lectures which comprises videos and worksheets. That all 4 lectures are part of your syllabus, and inshallah from next week we will start new lesson number 3, more about Windows 7. Once again, thank you very much for watching. See you next week. Assalamu alaikum and Allah Hafiz.